We are back. So me I talk about single mother story where I be want to more forget about this their Kevin. That's why they say make we dey get better law wey go favor both the poor, the rich, the young, and the old. So that when something happen, when you go bring the law come out, it go work on everybody. Hence our people don't first spoil the culture. Now, the culture can no longer work for Kevin. You can't use it to measure Kevin domono bio man if you do my work bunny no. If you do one way culture warrior and we build it back. We stop children from coming to Europe to come and do nonsense. If children even come Europe, we should advise and encourage them to go to school so that they will give us bright future tomorrow for this abroad. So that many of our young girls go there around will say, this one is working in social office, this one is a doctor, this one is a care nurse, this one is a this one is a that. That is how we can revive our dignity. That's how we can revise who we are, the real culture of Edo Kingdom. Hello.
Hello, my lady. Happy New Year.
Say to you, Jay. We are fine.
If you are because most men, which can culture,
oh. Oh, yeah, I'm winner. Oh, wow, I say, we mock Parisine, eh? Say, man, I'm going to go. Oh, we are moving.
The one again, he has to maybe voting bed.
Okay.
All the Muslim who have yet to Pataki, because the driver of our in Nina. We only cut so.
Oh.
There may be another because if we step on carry, why? Because because I don't care. Or say I don't way, do a song.
Iya Uma we Kevin gare lan we ukuna wa fa me wa fa e won ga kole ta me we na o ma ga ta me we ke yawo ko na we deri o we wa hian we igbe wa go me o wa fa me wa because iya wu ipi agi we connection then ihu when you do even make connection na ya je ebejon border we jama border France border ya gbasawo wa mare ne Eric me do give me yin no colleague be ba mi ogbonisan our amigo go biyan so if you do can be until they will stand against bad thing where honor ni ma wu ope ni ma ke we ya Ghana Iyan ka vun everywhere. Again, the president in Yahweh, enough is enough. While Larena do dollar, we maji in a good way. If you Ghana, you way me done better. Magi come over na rivière do. Huh? I'll give you a donut lele. Then I say, I must to stop. Then we are telling you, know it. What you can do? What you can do?
My marriage. On our way, for example, and
because who are when ni magunya gwa we na gunya gujo umi yan ni vie do no gata we ma oje de gbuga e ma ni ka we ma mi na we ma oji ne gbu me nu so me na ila yan gbe bi yan so afoko ni san you understand if yan so afoko ni san yan gi so bu wa gi so ba that wa be fokable Eri wa be mweti wa ne gegere. Emi go wagwalo. Yo salobu ame. Iya meki ginya ne ya we ne kevie meki go ge wa wesi. Ega wa na file kia kwa. Igo go wa be meki. Ugwa ya bio because evo nana mi we mi de mi dan wa ya leave. If you be leka ni kototo de ado copy I was shut up uge we amu we de tin na eni are ni o wese o ga gbe television na di mi na if you do me mi ro pa
I not saying in me ano so the lesson of one okay o ma ba tinya na green agwadin already it's not by aggressive way
ado aladian Kevin we kosho ima gboto ogwe no ko no ro gbodo no ya lo ye ko pe abe we ma we kosho ibi edo gboto oga na biko eri no eni wa pokwa na wa mie uwa mi ohwo ba ogwe ebona magba we mi ropa o era me wa no for more than 20 years orioski okwo no ro wodo
I pray 20 years we have 20 for example we very boji most of them we jam my bible we maybe marry we am na yaro because lebo our way yes no is no maybe but I maybe we have family on we le ni wa yan here everything about it our hair na don't we ready shopping we are testers and me utomo oda for my we ali ekejo wa ali eketi
so wa be ro na igba je na so wa ra ogun yan wan ogwe okwo pa emi no season yan ogwe ne no pia Ede Saturday ware ogwe ebono make shop ibe Saturday mara we na we ja ebona uwe gi onwa eto ka be do ya epime uwe agadi we na we di gore na ya re shop ogwe ozin gbe buare oni iwu ikpu if ya do say webo iya na mwe tradition yare ya na tieti o iya na mwe tradition yare ya na mweri ya gweze okwa agbacha wo webo obo wa no pe ave Nigeria pe aru we with TV iya mwe tradition yare ya since 20 years ago 40 years ago iya do aso di omi ma bege ni ogwe emi esio ebie mi dan wa we mi dan revo ogwe mi dan abie mi dan ne wa fi oboya umi ameve aje na ibi ashawo iya ni gbachawo ribie iya bibi ashawo yo to ne mo ni ma eriyan eni re ni iya do agbo ni san gi so ege nana tamuwa di owo do pa ya iya we lai abiele me 4 children 4 father why you when any egbo ni san ya de do gbonu yan very soon agbonu yan agbo ni sin yan because ije dan obiele yan ya hin mo dan mo na makoko e mo na koko be different places abeg e single mother ne boyfriend ije la lo we o money ga inwaro we no responsible we ya responsible Omo na so ala lo we 13 years 9 years we ya responsible oh story okpa ni mi atana oje okay oni be lugan egbo ni mi ateta egbo ni emi ateta na ohwo no da wa biye iya na mu awwa ye gan you understand o ama ona biye iya na mu awwa ye gan oje be de no wa bi ore 3 days iya na do gwala awwa iya na mu ye gan o egwu ma na 3 weeks later o da biye o pe abe sun avalo ene u wi sagin e ma na gbe 3 months we gan kekan o ke wa robo kan na ona hama o ke bu ya ma bana awe o wi yete wo ape wo do o ke din ape wo do wo wa bana e single mother do you know me no do ma se e ma na we ni eti je wa ije we kwe mi ekino wi we do ije we no si a ugme bugure ga hin ga sendigo gin o we ne mi ame gbiyun a ga hin ga sendigo gin Egbe generation ado tama me wa my friend wa wo ni san ado aya go la wa dene gbu wa ji wa dene gbu wa ji de mi ni wa ko wa ro I can still remember 3 years ago. Iga guijo was stop ivi bieleka. Ivi bieleka ni re wa ge avian je school wala o. Iya na wewe unu ni ya taiwo. Ya nigi ki la video presenter na ya na ga. Iwa gbashago ne wa ni ya ge gbe. Wa ne ni ya ge gu wa ni ya. 3 years keka e wa je na mi ya fi were ne. Agi soba na. That 3 years ago ni aya gele encourage our small guests ni anje school. My sister o ma get many guests in the na yin agaro pin na pa ne.
Akabo. Exactly.
Yin agaro pin na pa ne. No je school. Eh o, ave dede dan na ni ladian na. Ave dede na.
1 year, 2 years, 3 years, depends. You only have to work maybe 500, 700. Yeah, I mean, what's be done. Yeah, one of
Avian iti egbe motivational speaker na iye iladian vege ni iye we mi no yo fo gbashawo you know na wataveri o ibi beleka na iye eve no waje ma pajare a wo waje ma pajare a agi encourage yan ni an ipe agi gbonisan aiso me kwe na so wa bio
Kubele baba hata we must have stop it. Avian in car we must have say na la yagbe. So igara igara ibi wo ya iwadoma.
Nene human trafficking must stop, my sister. O ma ye stop your iyan wegbe. Iyan ye webu wegbe. Iyan wa ye webu wegbe. Osi ene si iyan na no shema this base ana ya ava iyan because iyan me ogie no ladian ona we wa stop me na ibi ebo me. Iyan na ye continue wegbe. Wegbe ni a punishment or adore ladian we buy. Well, my culture. Which culture? Which culture? You never quarrel with small pikin where they do a child. You never quarrel with people where still they bring their people. Papa and mama where they encourage them. You want to what do you want to talk about? Well said, Jay.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Facebook, YouTube. I think that's what I go. Oh man, why I go? And the Lord is your strength.
Amen. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
All the people that say English, oh, the thing was so horror. Napoli, there plenty. Oh, we go say na my name. Oh, my lady, are you going? Oh, okay, bye. You understand, so, my people? Lolo, me I say, now you want join. Oh, no be you. For real. Don't command my culture. My great Edokidan culture. Wagbene. Una don't kill him. Una need to plant them again. Una need to work hard to bring it. It's not by mouth again. Because what una they do, they smell follow everywhere. Now, point. Now, this Edo culture, una go they encourage you go come out for social media say, my pekus. Now take work. If you not use your own work, now you know. Una no go come and say, shit! We don't want that anymore. No. Now that one una go encourage. Wa take time. Wa go me do we tie bon wa ya me Kevin na you for nonsense because wa rokpa no mo you me mamie mi okpa no de fianu wa when I go ni sun wa ya wa horse wa worst is a Kevin. So muna pack where for this Kevin matter. I repeat again. Which culture is spoil? Na never first spoil na culture. Na spoil na culture na. You 600,000 naira. Take carry person follow inside river. Come collect 35,000. Wanna go carry 13 years old, bring and come. Carry 16 years old, 9 years, we're supposed to day school. Nothing wanna no fit. When they go quarrel with you and say, let these children go to school. Now say which math we take talking. And now one can they cry for una culture. My grandpapa say good thing they born bad thing una they cry. Say when bad thing go they born bad thing or pagbe. Mama we marry one man born 8 children. The children still they make gaga. He go they pray to God. Mama we come born 4 children, 4 papa. How the children go be when they grow up? You where they still born for one man, redu wama gba. Ama we na wa born ne ogun ki your papa, ogun ki your papa. Ogun ki your papa, ogun ki your papa. How they go be when they grow up? See you later, my lady. Go work. The wetin that they call am this single mother wey I want to talk about. He can't a friend one man. He don't even do introduction for home. Something can happen now. The man a fast lane na day. They can't arrest the man when the woman newly born. The man can't go prison. Before the man come out in 3 months' time, woman wey just newly born when you go prison. He born 3 days, he go prison. Come back 3 months, the woman don't get belle for another man. Single mother. And meanwhile, if I get pikin also, where bring come from Labaduza. Where bring come from the penis where he do for Libya. He bring Arabo pikin. Mona they see how some women useless finish. I thank God for men where they carry some of una because men are out here. Kake high. That matter go recent true. Not to talk, I can't carry my golden cassava put for inside roti toto. Person will bring Arabo pikin. The pikin not be black pikin. The pikin be like all this Arabo Miss blood pikin. He get hair nyemu. He bring and come from Labaduza. Not be una they call her. Bring and come from Libya erosion. If they carry that one, they draw, they go. That one never even reach 2 years old when you see this boy, we give him belly. They do street walk. Una know what they call street walk for Italy where boys they do. They do delivery, né? The boy saying they do. He put this girl for her, they pay her strength, they do everything for this girl. When her come meet her, and this girl newly born her meet her, and they still leave money for her, so not be saying no, he no give her money when police arrest her. He give her money. He carry another person where they do street work. Nah again. They arrest man 3 months. He come out 3 months. The woman when newly born, he don't get belly. That's 3 children for 3 papa. And one day, they go come enter hook up. Had they look for her husband. 3 children, 3 papa. Man, go, you can't still see man where carry you. Uvi no ya gun. He not get respect. Which respect that they man where just carry you like that, just be happy for your life. Because if I should be a man, poor. Wow. God forbid. Hello, my love. Call you, yeah. Oh. Okay. Wow, all loud direct. Only a problem. Very another way, so one. Kakabo. Kakabo. Koji. Okay, J. Oma. Okay, later. But yeah. Now so, and the 3 children we get, no one don't even reach 3 years. Iya why jo. I think the first one is just 3 months, 3 years plus some few months. He don't get another baby for hand, then he get belle again. He get baby for hand with another papa. He get belle with another papa. Ugaye mi ukboye. Kai! I asked the girl, wait, your mama fair come abroad? He said no. I said, you sure say your mama not there among those where they go, where they call her? Abidjan, Mali, those days, we return back home. He said no. Your mama never fair go Kano. Are you sure? He said no. I said, you sure? Because only mama we don't do all this type. Then they born this type of shameless type of human being where you be. Very shameless. Nonsense woman. They fuck another man with blood. Get another belle when you're picking where you born for another man just dey 3 months. So another person don't give you belle. And your mama they support you. Your mama must be a Libya returnant. Because now den. Mama will do half a shower, come born for a shower. Very nonsense, smelly story. That one tomorrow now you go say bastard, stupid single mother. He mad go come. This way I the coffee for single mother. They don't know wetin they top she to single mother. Go. Person where even really be where something where get better reason where turn out to single mother. Even that all those one no say different they single mother. You see all this useless one where no netiti turn them to single mothers. Now that the fact in got for never single mother. The non negative single mother they fact true. Go. You cause bad luck, follow yourself. You come the thought say na person cause am for you. You cause bad luck, follow yourself with your leaky mekus. No self-respect. Will I blame you? I blame him. Mama no ma train and say, him mama no train that girl where he train her fuck and throw away. So children go there Africa, back here fuck. Him mama no go beat and put na jenny joy na siye na gbe iwo na kuye you wo wa no re inside house prison. You get picking. Room who ask one and rent. All the old landlord children fuck and finish. The old street fuck and finish. How you think say that picking go take grow, become big woman, where that kind useless thing not go follow her? Eh? Just because they see single mother money they give to him mama no even get one single remorse about what her daughter do. As he get belle so leave her. If you no want stay with her again, no problem. I say your mama you don't fit go Libya. Now you know. Your mama now those one wey go Mali, they want come abroad, they no come fit make and they come stay Mali, do a shower, born you, bring you back home. You know. Cause I not sure say no mama will never fit do useless a shower. He go they follow Pikin, they do this type of thing. Pikin get 3 children for her way. All the 3 children still they enter boogie. If you see and go say, my life no easy. You not go even see responsible married woman where go get children like that, like Eh? Person where they still marry or you gap your here. You where nobody don't say we like marry you. You just solo and for grand. How much Germany they pay? How much? We go make you useless yourself like that. Tomorrow now you know see it go hard before you go see man we know your story we go really stay with you. No, I not go work. I never reach us. Now then they insult you for another platform. I tell you now. They will reach another platform. They can take capacity single mother. They don't know where to talk person to single mother. Oh. Talk what it turn you to single mother. No, may we pity you. Talk am. Say your husband die. Show proof. Say you were not violent in that your marriage. You yourself. Say you get real good character. Wait man, till they marry you. Talk am. Talk what it turn you to single mother. One woman talk with it turn her to single mother one day. It remains for me I slap her through telephone. I said now you still they talk say that they talk to single mother. Now people like una make that they talk to single mother. If I be single mother, all this una wait on to useless single mother, inside single mother. I go the cost una for inside single mother. Now this one turn you to single mother, you still get mad they talk, madam. You know the shame. Una know what it turn that one to single mother. He say she born twins. For him with his husband, the guy that see each other for Labaduza. Now they enter us from Labaduza. Now they can't gather cross, can't wear the day. Now he can't get belay. They can't say na belay they give person paper for there. Now he can't get belay. Now he can't put. Now they can't give the woman. Now another person sign put. Now they can't they pay money. Now they can say make the man give another one, then they can't give the man paper now. Then two of them can't they leave. The man they work, the woman they take single mother money. So as they can't they pay now, the man can say he want to do business. Now he can't give her 1,200, I be 1,400. May they do business. You understand? So I don't change country. No, I never change country. If I change country, I'll still talk another. I never change country. Say come where they look for. No, say now here you right put. Okay. Children don't start school today. Yes, we ask for permission. So single mother head go correct there for this 2020 if they want to. So now he can't give the man that is the father of his children. He can't give 1,000 for me to do business. Me I quickly talk and before this video end. Me to do business. Now the man can't go home, can't go do the business, come back. The thing can't be. The money no can come out. This woman don't start to give me my money, oh, give me my money, oh. He said now the man can't beat time. Now the man come they beat me for my money, oh. 1,000 for where I give her. Now he come they beat me, oh. Now he come they beat me, oh. Give me, oh. Give me, oh. Now he come they beat me, oh. So not so that they separate. Hey, he come they beat me. Now I call police for her. Now he come beat me again. Now they come throw away bag. Now I say I don't need that again. Now I come look video. Now you and your friend come to say man where they beat person, you not good. Now he come throw away the man. Now he come there, oh. Okay, Mona see what he can bring and come back to us. And then he call the friend one boy. Oh. Now this boy can say they do container business. So now he call the boy, if he they go, if he buy container, he go put motor. A single mother se sha or logo. Avec single mother se so que mon jivo bomé. Because c'est iya so bo. What it turned into that single mother na stupid thing. So he not reach 1.5. I say 1.4, not even 1.5, my brother. You dey put €100. 1.4. He drive the real father of his 3 children. He drive him. Mona yeo. This woman called a friend, and if they judge matter, they know. On your say they say a pity niya because you woman rere magba, magba. Hey. Now you come to friend this boy, oh. Monica, you go disgrace this boy. You go just disgrace and now say, tell me what he do now. Tell me what he do. Now you come to friend this boy, oh. This boy come tell me saying they do a container. As they do container business now, in container, say me they buy one car inside your container, you they carry and go home. The boy can say okay, oh, he can fair help and carry one. He really rich money where I spend, they not be small thing before my people see that car. Everything where I put for inside this boy thief and finish okay. I not still talk, be that we be boyfriend. Now I can't live on. May they not come talk say I just they throw away me. Now I can't live on. Now we can't day. Then this way can't come oh, he can't come in from Nigeria say he contain a get problem, he need money. I can't first send a 3,000 euro. Say if he come back as he be send a businessman, he go give me. This guy can't come back. Now so he can't tell me say don't just quickly invest the money for another container. Make I come back to boss put for inside. Now I can't carry the money again. Now I can't say me I support him. Now I can't support him. This time I can't say I swear you go put interest so. I can't tell him say go put it because he go put me I trust him. Me no what if he no put he go give me paper of he has for Africa. Now he carry another 4,000. Now he give this boy boah. He no say this boy he wife for Nigeria. Now they go use and they build us for. So I think they look for a two boss. This guy go say in today, tomorrow. Then he can call a godfather for Nigeria. May follow this guy up. As he can follow him up, then they can see say this guy he get wife and picking for Africa. Now I can say me they beat him. Now they can't beat him. Now they can say me give me my money. Now they can say this guy apart from that one completed, he no even get nothing. So, Mommy Monica, you got this great son. Now all these boys, all this type of control. Now you say, we got this great son. Hey! Jesus Christ. I say you. If you like, you pay 1,000. You know if you send me message as you just worry so. You drive you father of your children. Because of 1,004, you follow that man, fight. Now your mouth you take talking, not be me talking. Una call the fight after you give him 1,004. You fight that man, fight him because of 1,004. Man, where born 3 children, when you take they collect money, you can go give 7,000 to boyfriend. God go punish you. As you take turn your children to children when not get papa, now God go punish you, this useless woman. Hey, me I don't talk like that. Hey, you not say make man not the beat person. I say you of his swear say this boyfriend where you the carry so he never beat you. You leave him because say you say me they not count and follow you. You see? Now this one now they tell now. Una go say una no want beer with una real husband, but una come the beer follow single boyfriend when na the friend they go. Is it nice? Is it nice? How you want to draw your 7,000 now? Hey, you go narrate and say me. I go only use you to do video. Make people get sense from your foolishness. How you want to draw this one money? In short, this one say I go want make chop that your money because you are very stupid. Your own man, the old father of your children, ordinary 1,004. Now una fight. You call police for him. I say, go call police for this one. You hear? Call police for him. Make police come help you. You know, nice. That thing, it still dey vex me. Why? That's why single mothers, ask them. Say, my sister, tell me what it turn you to single mother. Now, foolish thing. Now, turn her to single mother. You can't on social media. They talk together. If you never tell me to single mother, I go say, tell me. Again, tag be yok be revu nu because if no jiyan can single mother, bulu kele uzebu. Smelly story. I bet my people will hear this story. This one will turn to single mother. Now, better excuse be this. Now better excuse it take on to single mother. No. Hello, my darling. Eh? Again, you do care 50 euro, abi? O makawe nena, we? O wek before ne we 50 euro. Where do you know? Okay, then. Okay, on my way. All guys, 60 euro. Iyo. We know what to get 60 euro. Okay, on my yag, but you will not. Okay. Okay, yeah, on my bye. Ni gboyo ni ya mia. Rio a lady of buyer even 25 euro, but Maggie go. Remaining 60 euro. I really look for the woman. If you not draw some people your money, you know they come out. No, my lady, happy new year. Oh, no, sorry, I they come on. You didn't send me the remaining money again. Okay. Not all, Monica. Those one are single mother by choice. Single mother must stop in this 2020. Single mother by stupidity and foolishness. Oh. Hello, my lady. I said, let me remind you. Okay, you are in Nigeria now. Okay, if you return, no problem. I just want to remind you that don't forget to. I can wait, no problem. I will wait. Okay, thank you. You welcome. I will wait, yeah? Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, say Johnny bye. I know say she forgets. Me now, I can't just still do like I beg. But I just still remember. She go mother by greed and stupidity. Oh, no. So because if you negative tell me if you say me talk on a foolishness. The one where your husband, your boyfriend go prison. Before he come back 3 months, he don't get belle. Abel, that one not be rubbish, still turn out to single mother. He want talk, I can't follow ma, they do bad thing. The time where I can't say me I change now, he can't come out. No. How many times Lolo don't do video tell you now, say if you be single mother, you newly born, hold yourself first. Take care of your pikin for a long time. Not just fall another victim again. No. You be single mother, you newly born, that marriage, that relationship don't spoil. You just follow another person again. It no good now. It no good. Tomorrow they call now single mother, you go they cry. Because you know, say now your stupidity turn you to single mother. That's why you they cry. Because the real single mother, where something really turned them to single mother, they know how they carry themselves. They know how they carry themselves. She drive the children father. So they collect money alone, but you will come they spend the money for somebody else. Everybody for this world, everybody get waiting they shop your money. Some people will say, I know they drink, I know they smoke here, but we will not they drink, not they smoke. We get waiting they shop our money. Some people know they go native doctor, they get waiting they shop their money. Some people they go native doctor, and waiting they shop their money be that. Some people family they shop their money. Some people now boyfriend go chop your money. One person or the other, you must get where you they spend your money. You understand? But I rather spend my money on my hair and my beauty, my clothes and my makeup than I spend my money for one useless man. God forbid bad thing. I know that. I mean for single mothers. The man where born your children, you know, if you chop your money, you divorce, you scatter your marriage because of me chop your money, but you will go meet new boyfriend. You can't use that money, they buy a ticket, may can't they do you. May God forgive you. Because that lowliness where you give your children, God go ask you. Your children head go ask you. The reason why you were so wicked to their father, no quarrel will ever set to amicable. You don't drive and now you don't put your children for where they come they talk to their father once in a while. So no even they talk to their father again, safe. So no even remember one single month they go say my children no even they remember whether they get papa safe. Ikbobon egboe. Boss lady. Bobon egboe. Your children not they remember whether they get papa again because you too good. Abi? Clap for yourself. Now you go carry yourself, open your leg for useless man where you will call useless tomorrow. Make it duduvaga you. He not go even give you one pikin. You are born one, you are born two, you are born three, you are born four. Tomorrow, you come to tell the children, say the man useless. My sister, now the uselessness start from you. You are very useless. To open your leg for a useless man and born 4 times for a useless man. The uselessness start from you. I pray may your children know a return. Because that uselessness is from you. Go come they happy say my children don't even know whether their papa they exist. How? Salobua. Me buna we bona me. He go say now let my girl pikin still they say papa mommy I miss papa. He go say the boys they don't even know whether their papa they exist safe. Hey, baba de boy. Boss lady, if wetin really drive, wetin really say, I get one darling. I don't see her name for years since. For Facebook, where be saying the man where he born for was really like the man gets problem of desperation. You understand? As the girl really quiet, try to make sure say things work rich. This man just want, I want buy us, I want quickly build us, bring money come. Those one not really good. For real. All those type of husband. If una still the listing, not be only women the listing, men the listing. Change, my brother. Not be your children money you will take build us. Why? Wait till your papa do you want do your children. Before you grow, can't reach where you dey, so your papa no fit build us. Ide we can kindly oria boy here. You don't grow, he send you labaduza, make you can't build us for her. Nah, you don't still reach here, don't boom. Your small children money, you want kid their mama. You want kid their mama if he not give you that money. You know even the day happy say government they give your children money make them not suffer the way you suffer. Wait be say your mate they put slippers for Africa before you go see and wear. Government they give your children so that now if you go market buy real singlet for our children to wear, buy pants, buy food for children to eat good. Make them not make liquor. Make them meet their mates. Now government they bring that money for you go come they beat the woman. Bring and come this month. May they just take level. May they take do a foundation. May they take buy that nail. May they take buy that silly. My brother, it no good. If not this one make you leave your baby mama. They look for girl where go feed the work. They give you money. You will see. You no go. You no enjoy for this life where we did not be me talking now because of karma is a bitch. You no get respect. Karma is a bitch. Go see that boy that day. Ishan boy wait he say he don't see one fulumuku girl foolish. Carry this girl 80,000 euro. Wait till happen at the end of the day. Uncle way give and to. Uncle common 600,000. You know if he make a contract of 80,000 euro. Be 80,000 naira they talk. 80,000 euro. person where they give am to 600,000 naira, you no see bring come out. Una notice una the cheat person at the end of the day, everybody dey where they dey. You cheat me, you no use am better. You no let me also use am better. E no good. Baby fathers, the reason why you don't leave that your baby mama, e no give you pikin money. My brother, you no need your pikin money to take builders. Just talk to that your wife. We don't first do the video. Make sure say that your wife no also they use and builders. I dey against that thing. Papa no use children money to builders. Mama no use children money to builders. Leave am for children more na they use and do acheyeke. Make the children they see something buy for themselves. Make them for smart follow their mates. Now this social media where we dey now, where everybody they say, show me your nyash, show me your husband, show me your belly, show me your teeth. Now some people children fit come buy PlayStation. Why? Children where they don't they pay to mama go use and they build us. Papa go use and they build us. Why see more yeke? Pikin wey dey 16 years no go fit play game wey 7 years old they play. They talk about FIFA this, FIFA that, go they look them point like oh. Why? Your pikin no dey stay as this my pikin can like outside. Why? Because you no get game of your own for his side. You need to go meet that your friend wey get the latest. This woman too buy not the let person enter your house. If your pikin get your own game, your pikin not get what you want go do for your house. Wagari self-respect negbima ige mo wa lo ene mo se wa wuve lo eni akipe eniyan giyan ve mi an lo wala o. Suffer where you take grow come. No be by shop for Africa. I no grow. No be by mama tete. Oh, now your time be that. Now your head be that. Your picking head no be your head. Now you go follow man wey be wash night come from Africa. But your children, they wait make they follow abroad come. Please. If you really get bad man, we really they beat you because of children money, you can really let that man go. If you don't talk and explain to him, may go work. May they build the house where you want build. Children money more than they use them for children. You know, say you know really they use and build your own house also. Really leave that kind of man, may they go. God go punish her at the end of the day. Your children head go punish her. Children money, there is nothing where government attached to it say not to take save them until they grow up. It not even they save. The real Igbo not be children money that they save. Now money where they give their children. But okay, we will be black. Obama will see my egg baby rio. Then use the money for the children small. Make they take upgrade. Make they take upgrade. If you invest in your children in this abroad, you will really, really enjoy them in no time. They will be so smart. They will be so wise. Nobody can bully them. Nobody can push them around. They go grow to know what is finance, income, high-end things, personal things. They will have big dream of their own. Please, my people. Please. Husband, please. Stop putting eye in children money. Please. Go do your own. Let your children enjoy their own money in any way that they can. Oh, bye. Someone is calling me. I need to receive this phone call. Oh, God bless you, everyone. Oh, that's why I love you, my darling. Oh, I was talking about you. Love you too. Be strong, eh? Your own single mom wasn't easy. Now something costs my darling. I know. Be strong. God is with you. Go help you bring them up. You try. Where. No way. No method way. No use for this man. But as he try reach this man. Thank you, my darling. When you hear stupid single mother, don't even cry. Don't even call it to yourself, because you know yours was not a stupid one. Na just bad dead. Na ikosan. They talk if to say this social media thing, especially live video matter, quick start. So many of us for no mumu. You know mumu, my darling. You try well. As here no con dey wetin you want con do. Oh, I see. Oh, see aye. Oh, yeah. Kakabo. You try here. You try to give on. You try to say no. You try to build on. You try to give on paper. You try to put on here. You try to book me and see aye rien. Okay, que rien y a, no, ya come. Bye everyone. Love you all. Bye.